Hello shooters and airsofters, this is Army Armament Wilson Combat Service Grade. So basically this is your Army Armament Wilson Combat with full trades of Wilson Combat. This pistol is very cool because of the markings. Let's take a look at the markings first. Wilson Combat Service Grade. Look at this. Zoom. Wilson Combat. Even at the other side, it's Wilson Combat. Wilson Combat, Beverlyville, AR USA. 45 ACP. Look at this, Bomar. I'm very impressed on the engravings and the trades. I don't know if they got the license of Wilson Combat, but this gun is full of Wilson Combat markings. Let's take a look on the features of the gun. So first, the trigger. The trigger is a little short, but the trigger action is really good. Very crisp trigger, and there is a little slack here, and bam. The grip texture is nice. This is a plastic grip, by the way, but the grip is very nice. It feels good. See the slide stop and the safety? The safety and the slide stop, this is not mass produced. This is designed only for this gun. This is Wilson style slide stop and safeties. Probably this one will fit TM guns, so that's cool. So one of the cool features of this is the cuts in the front part of the gun. See this? Very cool. So this gun is not classic division legal because of the serrations. Let's focus the camera. There you go. Also, the magwell. The magwell is the traditional magwell. This magwell is not screwed, and this is not also pinned on this part, but it's hooked on the grip screws inside the grips. So the weight of the gun, this is your typical army. I'm not sure about the weight, but the weight is very good enough. This is not, it feels like a real gun compared to plastic guns, the weight. Also on the sides is fully adjustable. On the front side and the rear side, there is a dimple on it, so you can put your white dots, or you can drill it here so you can put fiber optics. About the recoil spring. The recoil spring is your typical recoil spring. So basically this is a TM compatible gun, except for first, blowback housing. This won't accept TM blowback housing because of this. There you go. This is a different design. This is not a screw type. This is a pin type. So the slide won't also accept TM blowback housing, and this blowback housing won't fit on TM slides. Next is the sights. This sights is different. So basically you cannot fit this on TM. So if you want to buy aftermarket parts, it won't work. So other than that, it's compatible. This gun will only accept TM, Army, or Bell magazines. If you use KJW or King Arms magazine, that is very tight. It will fit, but you're gonna have a little problem removing the magazine. So It's up to you if you want to use KGW or King Armor's mags, but if I were you, don't use it. Now I'm gonna show you some of the videos while we are testing this bad boy. This is a .25 BBs powered by Gardner Green Gas. About the gun, I've already used this and I've already torture test this, and this one works perfectly fine. Heard rumors or not rumors, I see it on my friend. He encountered problem in the loading nozzle. It always broke in a few shots. This is one of the issue of the gun, and also one of the issue is the rear sight. It's very wobbly. One of the solution for the wobbly rear sight is put a tread lock so this won't move a lot. Another issue of the gun is the blowback housing. The blowback housing is a little faulty, the design. So I did a little modification inside, so this gun won't have any problems. I've already tortured test this one, so I'm gonna show you some of the videos. So that's it. So I'm gonna post another video how to do the mod so your loading nozzle won't break. One of the issue of the gun is the magazine. The base pads and the mag lip of the magazine is not that durable compared to KJW and TM brands. So you can just basically change the mag lips and the base pads if you want to. So you can use it. But this gun is good if you're gonna change the upper. Lord Santiago used this gun as a base gun, and this works really fine at him. What can I say about the gun? First, this is a budget gun. So if you want to have a budget gun, you know how to mod a little, you know how to gunsmith a little, this gun is for you. But if you don't know how to gunsmith a gun and you don't want to be hassled, better buy a different pistol. But also, if you're a collector, this is a good one. The trades is very cool, very cool. So if you're looking for a budget gun, base gun, this is a good gun. Just replace the internals and change the top part, and this is good to go. But if you want to use this as your primary gun, well, it will work, but you should have a little gunsmithing skills to fix the blowback housing, or you can bring it to your gunsmith to do some modifications on the blowback housings. Don't worry, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the blowback housing unit issue, so you will have a good time on this pistol. So That's it, guys. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys.